Hi, welcome to Winging It with Huda, the Ramadan series. Today I'm going to show you a perfect main dish for your iftar. It's my version of a Maqloubeh. Maqloubeh is one of those dishes, when literally translated, it means to flip. What you'd like to see is a nice little tower of rice, meat, and veggies. So delicious, full of flavor. This is one for the family to share. Today I'm using lamb loin chops straight from Abu Ahmad Butchery. So delicious, and look at it, they're so nice and thinly sliced. That's exactly how I like them, because what I want to use these for is to form the top of my Maqloubeh, which is actually going to be the base when we're putting all the ingredients in. Once we've put the lamb loins in, we're going to brown them on the one side, and then I'm going to start layering my dish. We've got 7 spice mix, black pepper, ground chilli, ground sweet paprika, and a little bit of extra ground cinnamon, just for that added flavor, and then we've got salt. So let's get started. You want a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. What I want to do is now layer my lamb to fit nice and snug. While that's browning, I'm going to slice my carrots and onions, and I'm also going to layer that with eggplant. That's going to be the veggie part of my dish. And I just want to keep it nice and neat. I'm going to slice everything and layer it nicely, and that's all there is to it. My pressure cooker has finished. It's time to flip the Maqloubeh. Oh my goodness. Are we ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh my God. That didn't sound good.
It sounded good.
It did?
I think it did, because like...
Oh my God, I'm having anxiety. It's a very careful operation. Yes! It's time to dress it up ever so lightly. We've got some parsley that's been roughly chopped, and I've got some lightly toasted almonds here. And this is my version of a Maqloubeh. You can have yours, play around with the recipe, give it a try. You'll be proud as well.